Hey, come closer, check this out. We are here live at the ClickBank headquarters, and I've got a question. Have you ever thought about wanting to maybe get started making an income online, get started with affiliate marketing? Good. I need you to pay very close attention because in the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna show you step by step how to get started making money online today. So, you wanna get started with affiliate marketing. And there's a good chance if you're viewing this video, you might be asking yourself, what is affiliate marketing? And before we really sink our teeth into how to get started, what to do, I'm gonna give a broad overview of what affiliate marketing is. And affiliate marketing, it is just promoting and selling someone else's product over the internet. So it's pretty simple, and commissions range all over the place, right? From 1% all the way, 90 plus. But let's just say you're selling a product that's $100. You want to promote that product. You get your own link, your own special link, and you can put that on the internet. If someone clicks and buys from your link, you get a commission off that $100. So let's just say, simple math again, your commission is 70%. If I buy through your link, you're going to make $70 off of that sale. And you can do that as many times as you want. And it's pretty simple, and you may be, again, asking yourself, okay, that makes sense. Now, where does ClickBank come into the picture? Great question. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketing retailer. We are a marketplace. So you may be looking for things to promote to get that commission. We actually have tens of thousands of products on our website that you can come find to promote yourself, whether based off, the commission you want to make or a category you want to sell in. So it might be, a big world, which it really is. But in terms of getting started, you can break it down into these bite-sized chunks and make it very simple, and you can get started today. So now that you understand what affiliate marketing is and what ClickBank is, come with me, let's take a peek under the hood, and I'll walk you through what the inside of ClickBank looks like. So, as you can see my screen right here, we are on clickbank.com. Now, if you've never been here before, I'm going to need you to go to the top right and click sign up, and you'll be prompted to just do a couple of things, and you can get an account created and started just in a few minutes. And if you do need help with that, I'm going to go ahead and put a link here in the description. Go ahead and click that, and we have someone on our support team that will gladly walk you through step by step on how to get started. Now, for me, I'm going to go ahead and go in here and log into one of my accounts. And once you get in, you're going to see your ClickBank dashboard. And this is where you'll see all of your earnings, and you can, toggle from day to day, and there's all kinds of features here. But what I'm really going to highlight and show you is right down here, our affiliate marketplace. This is where we house those tens of thousands of offers that I just talked about earlier, and we have them all located right here. And once we're in here, this is where you can locate any offer that's currently inside ClickBank that you can start promoting as soon as you want. So there are a couple of different ways to find products, and I'm going to go over my two favorites right now. Now you can see down the left-hand side, there are tons of different categories that you can get into that we have offers inside each one of these categories. So let's just say, kind of into health and fitness, e-business, check e-business and e-marketing. Now, as you can see, these results are sorted by rank. So that means the highest converting ones are in here right now. They're updated on a daily basis. And you can see, the fast tracks. See, this is an affiliate marketing course. There's one, a Click Wealth System. Some of these, any of these. And you can see here this gravity score. We just kind of like to call it our popularity score. So it's going to let you know, how trending the offer is and how many, people are wanting to promote that. And it's something that, to keep a close eye on as you're looking, for which one to promote. And you can see here your average commission per sale, what we talked about earlier in this video. And if you want to start promoting this offer, all you have to do is just click this orange button right here, promote, and that'll give you that special link that I talked about that you can go and place anywhere, whether that be in an email, on your social media profile, on a website, blog, anything like that. Wherever you can post a link, you are welcome to do that. And if someone clicks that and completes a purchase, that's where you get your commission, okay? Now, let me show you my second favorite way to find something to promote. So if you see this magnifying glass here, on the top of the screen. You can click that and boom. This shows you our top converting offers that are happening right now inside ClickBank. And you can search them by rank. You can search them by the average amount of commission. As you can see here, $3,000 per sale. That's a pretty good payday. And you can scroll and then again, check out these gravity scores, see how popular they are. But for this, I'm going to go back to rank. And this is where I look for products to promote when I'm looking to get started, finding a new offer. And you can see here, again, in the category, health and fitness. There's one in spirituality. But most of these are in the health space. So when you're looking to get through these, you're going to want to look at two things: the average commission, the gravity score, and then again, if you'd like to get started in a certain category, you can do that there. So if you follow one of these two ways, you're on your way to getting started. So let's go ahead and select a product to promote and create that link of what I'm talking about. And let's just pick the top converting one right here. This is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click promote. Now, you can see a hop link generator. That's what we at ClickBank call this special link a hop link. And to be frank, I really don't know why, but it's something that's stuck around since the 90s, and let's just roll with it. And we can see here that's a 75% commission payout per sale, which is a great commission percentage with an average payout of about $130, $140. Now, to generate a hop link, you need an account nickname. So let's go ahead and create one real quick. I show you how to do it from scratch because it's very, very easy. And we're going to go back to this ClickBank dashboard. And I'm sure you remember when we just logged in and we saw it here and we went down and we clicked the marketplace. We're going to go to accounts, and I have one here, but let's just go ahead and create one. Now we want to be an affiliate because we are promoting products for commission. Let's just name it YouTube. Nickname already exists. 2021. Let's do 3400. Okay. Let's just do. There we go. YouTube with 2 E's and 12. We'll do that. This nickname is available. So let's go ahead and sign up. And that will appear right here on our dashboard. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that and come over here, account nickname. I'll just paste it right there, generate hop links, and voila, there we have it. I now have a link here that I can click if I'd like to copy it, and now I'm able to paste that wherever I'd like, and I can start earning commission. So now you've got your link, and you just have one more thing to do, and that's get traffic. And that's the $1 million question, because everybody always asks us, how do I get traffic? And we've got two ways that we'll dive into. We've got the free way or the paid way. And when I was first getting started in affiliate marketing, it was described to me as this. You're on your way to your destination, right? Everybody's got a goal that they're after, okay? And there are basically two types of cars you can use to get to that goal. You can drive a Toyota Corolla, okay? That's a great car. It's reliable, and it's going to get you to where you want to go, but it's at an affordable price, and it might be a little bit slower than some other cars. And if you want to go the other way, you can use a Ferrari, and that's going to be very, very expensive, and it's going to get you there a whole lot faster to your same destination. That's really the difference between free traffic and paid traffic, because guess what? They accomplish the same thing, okay? We're all looking to provide value and to get sales, and that can be done mainly two ways: free traffic or paid traffic, okay? First, we'll dive into free traffic. What is free traffic? How do you get it? So free traffic is really going to be based around content. Think about posting your link in a blog, in your own website, writing a blog. Maybe if you like to hang out on Reddit or inside Facebook groups, or different things that you can do to get clicks onto your link and to get sales. Now remember, if somebody clicks your hop link and makes a purchase, that's our 75% commission with Flat Belly Tonic that we just made, okay? And if you really want to learn a whole lot more about free traffic, click the link in the description, because we've got a whole series on how to dive in on plenty of different tactics that you can use to generate traffic to your hop link that's not going to cost you a dime. Now, if you want to go the paid route, it is going to cost a little bit more, but like I mentioned, it can get you there a little bit faster. This is mainly through advertising, and you can advertise on a search engine like Google or Bing, or on a social media network like Facebook, like YouTube, TikTok, anything like that, to where you can pay to get your ad in front of somebody. Now, the reason it costs you a little bit more money is because, one, you have to pay for the clicks, obviously, but it's going to cost you a little bit money as you start to learn this audience and what gets their attention. Because especially when you're advertising on the internet, you are competing and you are paying for that attention and the eyeballs that are going to go to your ad, and you need those people to click on your ad so they come to your link. And if they complete the purchase, you get the commission, the vendor gets the sale. So if you want to learn a little bit more about paid traffic, again, we've actually got a free series on our YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the link below, and we'll have all of our experts really go into how our top vendors are doing that today. So I hope you're really excited and eager to start promoting products on ClickBank and start making money with affiliate marketing. And today we've done everything from creating a ClickBank account, navigating the ClickBank marketplace, finding a top converting offer, and then going through ways to get traffic to start promoting that link that you made to start getting commission on sales. And if you really, really want to sink your teeth into this, I've got a couple of things I want to share with you from my experience is that we've laid this process out, right? It's pretty simple in theory, but that doesn't mean that it's easy. And I need to let you know that you have to be willing to, in a way, practice and fail to get great at something. I think that there should be a lot more people out there making a ton more money, but they're not willing to be bad at it long enough in order to be great. We have thousands of affiliates that are making 7 to 8 figures per year that are living dream lifestyles, and it's been a pleasure to watch because they really went through that plateau, and you know, pressure builds diamonds, right? And I wanted to let you know that as long as you're not willing to give up, that you're almost in a way guaranteeing your success if you just don't quit. And you would be very surprised at what you can accomplish over a year of just practicing. And if this is something that is resonating with you, just like it resonated with me and a lot of others that have watched this video, then I want to show you something that we have at ClickBank, and that's called Spark. It's our full comprehensive education platform because we are invested into the success of our affiliates. So come check this out. We're in our Spark dashboard, and we've really got education courses from our certification course. I'll click on this real quick, and we really dive into so many things about, even from your mindset and a bunch of things, a 7-day challenge where actually I got my first sale in 7 days if you want to come check it out. But so many different just aspects of affiliate marketing, from basic vocabulary all the way up to scaling paid traffic campaigns. And then with Facebook ads, we've got Spark Campfire. That's a weekly Q&A session to ensure that you never get stuck, that you can come ask mentors for advice, people that have sold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of products on the internet. And we've got, so many different types of trainings. You can really come in here, and guess what? I've got a link. So if you want to try it for free, I wanted to extend that offer to you. You got 7 days to come in here, sink your teeth, check it out, come into the community, and a rising tide lifts all ships, right? And that's something that we really wanted to bring together, was just a congregation of people who are all after the same goal, and that's the life of their dreams. What so many people have come through ClickBank that have been able to do, and we've been able to help thousands of people just this year generate their first sale on ClickBank with our Spark community and our Spark education. So like I'd mentioned, if you'd love to sink your teeth into this and check it out, we've got a 7-day free trial, risk-free. Go ahead and check it out. But if you'd like to consume all of our content on our YouTube channel, we've got hundreds and hundreds of hours that we've got links in the bio and a bunch of videos on our channel that you're going to get a ton of value out of, and you can really get started by learning that as well if you'd like. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're ready to get started in the comments. We love seeing them from you. We love responding to them. And it's going to be something that, really helps us too, because as an affiliate, your success really determines our success as a company. So we definitely want to make sure that we're helping you on the right track and helping you get as much success as possible. So thanks for watching this today, and good luck on your affiliate marketing journey.